I'm Jordan Martin. Here at Mulholland Gates, we're known for creating beautiful and functional gates and fences for your home. But one of the biggest issues with gates and fences is that there are so many choices, and choosing one for your property shouldn't be that difficult. However, it is an important decision. So let's take a look at what makes Mulholland Gates right for you and make that choice a little easier. To your visitors, your neighborhood, and your community. You're making a statement by having our products installed in your property. A stunning gate says so much more about who you are than you may think. But at Mulholland Gates, we're more than just a pretty face. We value delivering products that last. We use the best materials and engineer your product to stand the test of time. The next videos you see here will give separate introductions to our most innovative lines. But before I let you go, let me introduce you to the fundamentals common to all of our products so that you're prepared to make your decision. So why do we use aluminum? Well, aluminum is chosen as an industry standard primarily due to its extremely high weight-to-strength ratio, but also due to its durability and malleability. Aluminum has other benefits that we'll be covering in future articles and videos. All Mulholland aluminum gates use an aluminum alloy called 6063-T5. So why should you care? Well, this is a really high-strength alloy. Not only is it as strong as steel, but it also has an extremely high corrosion resistance. Due to this alloy's durability and resistance, it's commonly used in buildings, automotive components, and marine applications. It's the perfect fence and gate material if you want to protect and beautify your home. With minimal maintenance, our fencing and gates shouldn't just last you years. It can last generations. Now, we're not the only ones that use this alloy. In fact, many of the best fence and gate manufacturers in the world use this material or similar because it's so dependable and long-lasting. However, it's not what we use that makes the difference, it's what we do with it that separates us from our competition. So, let's take a look at some of the features and benefits that are common to our product lines. You can expect your gate or fence to carry a greater wall thickness than others. Sometimes less is more, but this time more is more. The profiles range between 1 to 2.45 millimeters in wall thickness, which exceeds the industry standard. All Mulholland aluminum gates and fences are protected with a special polyester powder coat to make sure that your gate stands the test of time. Our proprietary coating is more durable and more resistant than standard acrylic, enamel, or paint coat, making your gate more durable, fade resistant, and scratch resistant than our competitors. We offer a wide variety of colors, and you can express yourself with any of our 8 standard colors in various shades and textures. In addition to all of this, we incorporate computer and machine-based precision in the engineering process. This allows your gate to be measured exactly to the specifications of your property, no matter the terrain. So now that you're familiar with the fundamentals of Mulholland's gates and fences, let's take a look at your options. Select one of the product lines below.